Welcome friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the important Java utility for the file NIO package with the Java 8 and without Java 8, and also the utility of string utils left back function, which is be very helpful for padding for the number. It can be routing number, it can be account number, or we can hide any number by this padding functionality. Okay, so Java NIO is a very important thing. Let me start with the example of the decimal number and the left pad. Okay, so let me check with that decimal. Okay, example decimal. uh, First is that 47.65734. We put here point 0.3, right? So after point it will go up to 3. Okay, the answer will be 47.657. Okay, and the second one 15.4. Okay, so before point, okay, we it can be 15. Okay, so there will be and it's also 4 digit after point 4, so 6573. Okay, so if you see the answer here, okay, let me check. So here you will find that there is a space here. Okay, so till 15, so it is till 15, so it's not here like 15, so it will adding space here, so make it that before point it will be 15. And the second one 011D. Okay, so it will do for 11 digit, although it is a 5 digit, the rest of it will fill by 0. Okay, so you will find that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 6 to 5. Okay, 11 digit, make it 11 digit. Okay, so the next part is the account number. By formatting account number is, what is that formatting account number? It's not actually last, it is the first 4 digit number. Okay, formatting account number. So what we got it here, we, let me check here, 1151. Okay, 1151. So it's the first 4 digit we can retrieve here. So example decimal number done. Now check for padding part. Okay, left pad. Let me run that example. So it's the routing number. If we using string utils left pad functionality and the digit and the 0, okay, so up to what digit? Okay, so there is a no change, but here also you see that total 10 digit. Okay, and 0 is that if there is a, I mean, we are assign it's for the particular digit, and it is less, it will be filled up with the 0 or x or anything whatever you put here. Here it's the 10 digit, and here it's also number of digit mentioned as a 10 digit, so expected also 10. And although I have make it is a, this is also 0 also filler, this also filler, so there is a no change here. Okay, if I run it here, there is no change. It is run as, so here you see first one no change, second one also no change. Now interesting thing about the third one 789, and it's a 10 digit, expecting 10 digits, so first 7 digit will be uh, filled by 9. Okay, so it's a 999789. Okay, so it make it 10 digit. Similarly, instead of 9 you can put x, so you will find that xx. And 3, so expecting also 3 digit, and it's also 789, so no padding required. Okay, so the left pad part done. Now the important part is file processing. Okay, before file processing, so here it's already file name has been changed. I have the backup. So this is the directory C workspace Raja work. There is a 2 folder, 3 text, 1 PDF, 1 doc, and inside 1 and 2 we have text file. Okay, so let us go one by one. So this is working folder. Okay, folder location. First thing is that we need to get the folder list. Okay, so what are the folder here? Work is a folder, 1 is a folder, 2 is a folder, rest are the file. Okay, what we have done, we have written one utility function where you have to pass the folder location, and you want is file only or is it true or false. Is file only is false means it's for the folder, and is file only true means it's for the file. Okay, let me check for the function itself. So I get the folder location. So this is the folder location work. Okay, and is file only. And first what I am going to do, I have used the NIO. You see that file dot NIO. If you click here, you will see that where it is present inside the NIO file. Okay, so files.walk, paths.get, and the folder location, you will get the stream walks. Okay, and if it is a file, then walk.filter and the files is regular file, and then map that list of the file name or the what you got right inside here, PDF text, 3 text, 1 PDF, and again inside that one. So there's a not only on in the work directory, also inside the 1 2 directory we are going to check. Okay, we are getting the file list, and if it is for the directory itself, it will for the directory it will check it's a 1 2. Okay, here we can filter it by the stream. Okay, so this way we get the folder only, file only. Okay, and text file, what we are going to do with that file list, whether it is text or PDF or doc file, so we put the extension and accordingly filter the file name with the ends with that particular extension, whether it is a text or is the PDF or the doc, and finally getting the list. So what first we get the folder, all the folders, so it will give us work folder 1 and folder 2. Second one file only, so it will give all the file 1 and 2, and for the third case only the text file, so A B C, and the inside the 1 text file, and inside the 2 also the text file only. Okay, so it will give us that list. For the PDF it will give only single entry, for doc it will give only the single entry. Okay, now let us check how it behaves, right? So let us see the console. So first text file only, not text file, folder, so work 1 and 2, then file only, work folder 1, inside folder 1 we have 2 text file. Okay, and file only, since it's a file, so anything inside the work, there is a 1 PDF, 2 there is a 2 text, and also 3 text file inside the work folder and 1 doc file when we are filtering for the text file only. So all the text file from it can be child directory, it can be parent directory, okay, all the text file. And for PDF, based on the extension we get the PDF file and the doc file, okay. So this way we captured it, okay. And next part is that appending timestamp, okay. So although it has been executed, you see that timestamp also appended here. One also timestamp has been appended. What is the time now? It's 28th February 2020 and 23rd, okay, 11 p.m. okay, it's India time now. So here you see that list of file prepared with Javite, without Javite you can do, okay. So first what I got in the text file list, you see the file list here, text file list, it's all string. But what we need, instead of list of string we need list of file, okay. How to do that? So we get that list and dot for each, and we have that final list, and inside that just list dot add and the new file. And without Javite, how we can do that? Just iterate that list of string and add that list file, okay. So it's a very simple way. Now with that list of file, what we are going to do, we are going to, because for appending we need the list of file, not list of strings, so I have to convert it. Now I have given the final text file list, okay, because I want to check for the text file only. I'm not going to, here you see that PDF file is not renamed, okay, only text file get renamed, okay. So to rename it, what I have done, I pass that list of file, okay, and list of file, and also with the help of the simple date format, right. So date format, uh, also date format dot format new date, I can write that with the date value, exact value, okay. And finally get the every file list, all that file, okay, all that, say all that text file, it can be parent directory, it can be inside the one, so all that file, it's not only inside the work folder, so all of it, so all of the list of file we have, okay. And in the for each we rename or every one and prepare the list. So we got the list, and finally after renaming we are printing here, okay. And next part is the write to error file. So what I have done, base path I put as a error directory, okay. And you can give that file name, I put like Mohan Bagan correlation ID, so I pass it here, okay. From there I retrieve the file name, okay. So with the error record, what we are going to write here, I put EEE, so it will going to write here inside that content. And here file name Mohan Bagan, correlation ID, it was first 4 digit, okay, with that colon 678 Rabi, and extension name as dot error, okay. Any extension you can put, but I put as a dot error. So with that correlation ID 678 Rabi, I retrieve it, so with that 0, and the file name underscore Mohan Bagan, file name I put Mohan Bagan underscore, and the error is the extension, what I extension dot error, okay. So with that error name I create the file, and if that file not exist, then only we create the new file. So what is error? It's a file creation. Okay, now is the file, blank file is getting created first. There is no content first. Now inside the file I am going to, so this is the error file I am going to write, and here I have used try resource, try with resource, so I don't have to close that buffer writer. Okay, here you see that inside it E has been added here. Okay, so this way we can easily append the timestamp. Okay, now my next requirement is, if you see inside the work directory, there is a 1 2 whatever, so the file has been processed, so I don't need anything that everything processed and the error, whatever error, again next batch going to process, right? I don't want and keep it here, okay, on the fly, and maybe it's a sensitive information, right? I don't want to keep it, I want to delete it. So how we are going to delete it? Folder location is the till work, and here I put the say 1, folder 1, or maybe if I don't put 1, then it will entire work directory will be removed, so I don't want, I want 1. Okay, so accordingly you can write your logic how to delete it. So here also using NIO concept, so we get the root path directory, so work, so 1. Okay, this is the directory. Okay, so I want to remove folder 1 as well as all the folder, file, everything what is present inside it, it will be removed. So NIO paths dot walk root path file revisited follow link and shorted comparator dot reverse order and paths and the two file. Okay, and for each, so it's every is iterating, and if equals root path and then delete. So this is a basically, first one is the create file, create new file, and second one, so write to error, it's a create new file. Okay, and then write, and this is a delete, just delete, f dot delete. Okay, now you see I am going to execute, then one directory will be removed. So it has been removed, so you don't see here. Okay, this way we can use a file NIO package with Java 8, without Java 8, padding I have also shown. Hope you have enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press bell icon, keep subscribing. Thank you very much.